Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the battery's open circuit voltage, VOC, and then determine its internal resistance. Use a stable load resistor and a reliable voltmeter. Once connected, measure the loaded voltage and the current through the resistor. Make sure to note the exact resistor value R load and the current IU read. These two readings, VOC no load and the loaded voltage with I, are the prerequisites that let you calculate terminal voltage quickly and accurately. Next, compute the terminal voltage using the linear model. V term equals VOC minus I times the internal resistance. If you didn't measure R internal directly, derive it from your measurements. R internal equals VOC minus loaded voltage divided by I. Substitute R internal back into V term if needed. Remember why this works. Current through the internal resistance drops voltage, so subtracting I times R gives you the actual voltage. Finally, present the calculated terminal voltage and include a quick uncertainty note based on meter precision or percent error from repeated trials. If your measured V term seems too low, start troubleshooting. Ensure tight low resistance connections, confirm the battery isn't significantly discharged, and verify your meter calibration. Also remember that heating changes internal resistance. If the battery got warm during the test, repeat measurements after it cools to get consistent, reliable terminal voltage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.